In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a real estate newsletter using Flodesk. This tutorial will walk you through each step, ensuring you have a beautifully crafted newsletter ready to engage your clients. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to Flodesk's website, which you can find at www.flodesk.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you'll want to sign up for an account. Flodesk provides a user-friendly platform that makes email design a breeze, so it's well suited for both beginners and seasoned users alike. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with Flodesk's intuitive dashboard. Here's where you can start crafting your newsletter. Click on the Create button to begin. You'll have the option to choose a pre-made template, which can save you a lot of time, or you can choose to start from scratch if you prefer to have complete control over the design. Selecting a template can give you a foundation to work with, ensuring your newsletter looks polished from the outset. After selecting your template, it's time to personalize it with your brand's identity. This means adding your company logo and adjusting the colors to align with your branding. You'll want to design each section thoughtfully, so let's break it down. Start with a friendly introduction that sets the tone for what readers can expect in the newsletter. Follow it up with a section showcasing featured listings. Here, you typically highlight some properties, whether they're newly listed, just sold, or open for viewings. Next, include a segment with real estate tips. Quick home buying or selling tips can offer value to your readers that extend beyond listings. Adding market insights will keep your audience informed about the latest trends and developments in real estate, which can position you as a trusted authority in the field. Now, with your design in place, you'll need to add content. Upload images of the properties you're featuring and write brief but engaging descriptions. Make sure to include links to the full listings or direct your readers to your website where they can find more details. To make the newsletter more engaging, consider personalizing it. Adding the recipient's name can make it feel more personal and inviting. A closing with your signature adds a warm touch that strengthens the reader's connection to you. Before sending out your newsletter, it's critical to send a test email to yourself. This step is essential to ensure that everything looks just right and that there are no errors in the content or formatting. When you're satisfied with your preview and all is in order, it's time to decide whether to send your newsletter immediately or schedule it for later. Scheduling can be particularly beneficial to catch readers at an optimal time, increasing the chances of engagement. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a professional real estate newsletter using Flodesk. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to connecting with your audience in a meaningful way. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.